Hey everyone, this is also Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to show you how to send out email and then undertake email campaign using WordPress. Okay, and then this tool is, well, CRM is not only easy to use, but also you can save a lot of money, which is essential for nonprofit organizations. So one of my clients switched from MailChimp to this WordPress CRM system. And then they have over 1,000 contacts here. Now, so let's take a look at how much it's going to cost if you used MailChimp. Okay, so if you have like over 1,000, you have to pick out 1,500 contact. That's a number of contact, right? So it's cost like 45 US dollars per month. Okay, and then so let's take a look at the constant contact, which is also very popular email marketing platform. And then you can see little detail here. But basically, so this says based on the number of contacts, so $35. But if you look at it here, so if you have over 1,000, so you have to sign up for 2,500, right? And then if you go to standard, it's going to cost you like $75 US per month. Okay, so this is kind of pricey now. So I use, it's called the FluentCRM, so which is, I'm going to show you my tutorial. It's going to cost you $90 a year. Okay, so that's per license. Now, my goal is, I can get, 349 per year, and I can have 50 site license, and then can install that to my client so that the cost per year is very minimal. Okay, let's see, if you can even like divide that at 174 divided by 5. So what's that? Divided by 5. We can share that. So a year, it's going to cost only $35 a year, not per month. Okay. So let me show you how this works. All right. So they used to have, they sent it to me via MailChimp. That was a few months ago. So before they switched to this CRM system. As you see, they have close to 1,300 active contact. All right, so now before we hit the email campaign, I created email template for them, and let's take a look. It's very simple. It's similar to MailChimp or Constant Contact, so they have kind of widget here. They can create a column or create a button, divider, text, and image, right? And then you can also use HTML. So here is the simple template I created for them. Okay, so I got some call to action button, and then images. So I'm not going to show the tutorials for that. It's pretty easy, just drag and drop here. Okay, and also you can add a tag here. So here, so you can add contact. If you want to add hi first name, you can put that, right? So you can have different tags here. You can, and also like there's custom field. If you want to put the specific organization name, you can insert a tag as well. Okay. So it looks like they have like smart text. So this is cool here, and a smart text. So I think it's based on AI. So you can, make the sentence friendly, something like that. So this is a template. Okay, so you can create. Now let's go to start a campaign here. So let's say send out the first newsletter. So here, create your first email campaign. So I'm going to do like this, and then create a campaign here. All right, so you can, of course, choose very simple board, right? So different kind of plain left, okay? And here, actually, you can, if you know how to use the WordPress, you can easily create newsletter here. But since I created for them, so let's use my template here. So let's go to import template. And then, so let's use this and hit import. And boom, okay. All right, so let's insert image here. So I'm going to just upload. So if you know how to use WordPress, this is quite easy. And I got those two pictures. I'm going to drag and drop here. Okay, so it's uploading now. And I'm going to use the first image here and insert the post. Okay, so here we go. And again, so here, so you can just change text. I'm going to just leave it here for now. And then so scroll down here, and here's the call to action button. And you can just add new URL if there's any, if you have like any fundraising website. Okay. And then here I'm going to put another image, upload here, and I'm going to just use this image here and boom, like that. Okay. Now, so I don't have any image right here. Now, it looks like we have this magic image. So generate image. So this is based on AI. So I'm gonna I need to look for something in the fundraising program here. So I'm gonna just, our community is promoting a fundraising campaign that strengthens our community. So let's see what's gonna come up. So it's gonna take a while. And then actually, so they are kind of rewriting my prompt. Okay, so let's see our organizing a special campaign event. Okay, so let's try that. And then here is kind of style. So I like kind of a simple. Oh, you know what? I like this flat art. So let's see what's going to come up. All right, so let's see. I'm going to edit the prompt here. So maybe I'm going to put the Japanese community here. Okay, so here we go. So let's try that. Yeah, I'm gonna just pause video here. Yeah, so let's pick this prompt. Oh, okay, so here we go. Okay, so you get idea. So I don't know if I like this, but anyway, let's pick that. Let's use this image here. All right. Okay. Yeah, but you get idea. So you can actually generate the image from AI, even though if you don't have it. So let's say, I'm not gonna put every single image here, but all right, so let's go back to image here. So let's see, so it looks like there's more option here. It says more images. So let's see. Oh, stock photos. All right, so it actually pulls out the stock image. I'm assuming these are free. So let's see, Japanese is there. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it goes like pixabay. So that's a free stock image. So I'm gonna pick that. All right, so that's cool. So you can actually pick from stock image directory here. All right. So now, actually, you know what? I don't like this, honestly. So let's use stock image here. So fundraising. All right, maybe not. Okay, so this is probably fine. All right, so let's assume I'm happy with the content, and then so let's hit save, and let's continue. Next step, which is email subject. So I'm going to just put fall later 2024. And again, so you can use A/B testing, but I'm going to skip that. And this is email pre-header. I think this shows that mobile. And then now here too, I like this option. So you can actually set the custom from name and email. So you can put like as a default, um, your admin email is gonna go in here. Okay, but if you want to change to specific person's name and email, you can do that too. Okay, so let's just so I'm gonna just leave it. Maybe just put put my name here, and then put email address. Okay, and you can just send test email here, and then let's just try and move up here. Now, so here, if you select all list, it goes to 1276. Everybody here. But in this case, maybe you want to. So let's say you want to select to only your donors list. You can just pick that. and then send to 290 people. All right. And you can exclude contact list as well. And if you have a tag, yeah, so you can add a specific tag to segment more. Okay. So in this case, I think I want to select, yeah, so the MailChimp. So this is that we imported from MailChimp previously. So I think, so I'm going to send it out to 1,040 people through our MailChimp list. Okay, and hit continue and then review and send. Do that. So first, like you have to review that. Okay. Now, before I send it, let's send test email to make sure it's okay. So I'm gonna send it to myself. Okay, so great. So it went. So let's take a quick look how this look like. All right, so here we go. It looks, oh wow, looks great. Okay, and there's call to action button. All right. So it looks great. So let's go back to CRM. And then now, so you can send right away, okay? And you can even schedule that. You can pick a date and time, and then you can, pick schedule email within a specific date time range, okay? All right, so this is just testing. So I'm not going to, um, send this. Now, after the email was sent out, so you get report too. Now, this is my own company. So I send out, little tips here. And then, so you see this quick overview, email sent. And then, so open rate, 54 people open my email. And here's a click rate too. So 22%, so which is not too bad, right? So you get that quick report here. And then, so check the email. Um, so you can see, you can see who clicked the link and who opened um, my email and who didn't open it. And you can just click resend here. So, people who didn't even open it. Okay. So once again, so this is a really good alternative to MailChimp or Constant Contact. By looking at this, right? So this, like, at least, it's only 90 bucks a year. And then if I get more client, for example, I can reduce the fee. And then, we can share this license among our client too. So again, so like 5 license, I think I said like $35 a year, which is significantly cheap. Okay, so uh, myself, I've been using this. I'm happy with this. So thanks for watching and see you next time.